Alright, so I thought I would do a quick review on these new turn signal running lights and brake lights all in one by Kuryakyn. They're the Kuryakyn Kellermann Attos. You can see how small they are. When I originally got them, I was like, no way these things are going to be bright enough to replace a tail light and signals. Here's a comparison. They are tiny. Right, so I put one on both sides here. This is a Honda CB360 turned into a cafe racer. And probably do another review on this headlight as well. But yeah, these are them. And what I did was I mounted them to a small little bracket, and it just has a screw. And then it has 4 cables that come out, one for your running light, one for your brake light, and one for the turn signal, and one for the ground. So pretty easy to install. So let's go ahead and turn this thing on. You can kind of get an idea of how they look as running lights. So this is the middle of the day. Move back here. They're pretty small like that, as you can see. Let's turn a blinker on. Once again, it's the middle of the day, but they are plenty bright. Now, I'm gonna set this guy down. We'll go ahead and hit the brake lights. So as you can see, plenty bright. They look nice, they're small. Once again, really easy to install, very clean setup if you're going for the minimal look. And that's them. Check them out, 89 bucks each. You gotta buy a pair. They come in chrome and satin black.